missing someone.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicole June and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film for you guys my everyday like winter makeup routine. In the winter time I have the driest skin ever, so I finally figured out a way to make my skin not look like super cakey and dry when I put makeup on. So I thought I would share it with you guys because I feel like I finally figured it out and I feel like it looks pretty good. Yeah, I like to look like bronzy and glowy still. On top of really dry skin. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video and let's just get right into it. I want to start off by saying I'm sorry if this quality is bad. I'm in the bathroom with natural lighting. There's like a window to this side, so the lighting's a little bit weird, but we're still gonna do this. So I'm gonna start by just putting my hair just like in a low ponytail while I do this, just so that it is out of the way, my hair. But I'm going to start, this is a little sample that I've been using and I really like it. I use whatever primer usually, but this one I've noticed a very big difference in my makeup. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Skin Base, and this is so moisturizing. I have the driest skin in the winter time, so my makeup usually looks nasty. I feel like this is helping, mixed with the foundation that I've been using. So rub this in everywhere. Sorry if the camera changed for a sec. I was seeing if I could put you by the window, but did not work. So the combo that I've been using for my foundation is the Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow Foundation by YSL. This stuff is really good at moisturizing. And then I blend it, wow, there's my hair on the brush. I blend it with the Morphe E31 brush, which is really good for foundation. So I just take a pump of this. And as you can see, this stuff actually has like pretty good coverage. Like, look at how dark my eyes were before. They're still a bit dark, but they're not that bad. And it leaves your skin still looking like pretty glowy, which is awesome. And then under my eyes, I use the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer by Urban Decay. I was going to say Too Faced. No, from Urban Decay. This stuff is super good as well. I got this in the summer. I feel like I could get a lighter color now. As you can see, it's a little dark for under my eyes, but we're dealing with it. And to blend in my concealer, I just like to use a Beauty Blender because I find that this kind of works the best and gives the best coverage compared to using like a small little brush or something. So I still use my Beauty Blender for this. I feel like this lighting is making my under eyes look so bad right now. I'm like, maybe let's tilt you even more to the side and the lighting will be better. Actually, I think it is. Okay, that's what my under eyes look like. I still am tired. And for powder, I've been loving the Hourglass, what is this called? Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This stuff is really good if you have dry skin. It's not as drying as using the Peach Perfect one, which I love, except I think this is a much better option for powder in the winter time personally. So I've been really, really liking this, and I just take this random big fluffy brush, put it all over my face. Fuck off! My camera is gonna die and I did not bring home a charger. Next I use bronzer. I don't know how long this is gonna last, we'll see. I use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I've really been loving this. I've used this for literally like 2 years now, I think. And then on top of this bronzer, I like to use the Hourglass Radiant Bronze Light Ambient Lighting Bronzer. It's a long name. This just kind of adds like a nice glow, because I obviously, by the title and how I've explained my makeup, I really like my makeup to look super glowy. So I just put this all over here. I put this more like even in the center of my forehead. So it looks like that. Why is my battery flashing? I'm so mad right now. I'm so mad at myself. Ugh. Okay, for highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ombrezzi highlighter. I never know how to say this properly, but I'm just going to apply this on my cheekbones and on my nose. Why did my voice sound like that when I said nose? And then I also just put it right here. I'm gonna go look and see if I have something. Since there's no other way, show this. Battery's like dead. I filled in my eyebrows using the Benefit brow pencil, and then for mascara I just used the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and I'm gonna do this off camera so that my camera can last. So I'm gonna go crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. And I'll see you guys when my makeup's done. Everything else is done. I just have to put mascara on and we'll do an outro. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. Hi, up close and personal. I know my lips are so dry right now, but this is what it looks like. I'm sorry this video was so rushed. I'm still have to talk quick because the camera's still gonna die. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was so rushed and like I was frantic during it, but I still want to post this because I like how the makeup turned out, and this is kind of what I've been doing whenever I decide I am gonna wear makeup. But I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.